What's up everybody, Kevin here with Spang's World. Today we got the F250 bumper pulled off and we're finishing it up. We got to add in some D-ring mounts here on each side. Show you what we got going. Basically we're going to have our plate here already, or it's going to bolt in, then we're going to end up welding that in. We'll add this to it. This mount will go in. And then we got our actual D-ring plate here. This is tied in through the bumper, and then it all gets welded up. And this will, about right here, will be sticking out of the bumper. Weld it all up and call it a day. And then this bumper is ready to go to powder coating. All right, we got our holes cut for the D-rings into the bumper. We got our parts cleaned up. Now we just got to measure these out, weld that up on there. All right, let's get these laid. Let's get these tacked up and welded in. All right, we got our part tacked up now. We'll test fit it real quick, make sure everything's going to work like we want it to before welding everything up and getting screwed. There we got it. Our D-ring is in there. Should be good. All right, now all we gotta do is do the other side and weld these up. I've said weld it up like 4 times now, but we're gonna actually weld now. Alright, got that the rest of the way in. We're going to end up welding this in, welding the sides in here. We're going to end up welding this plate in somewhat. Not going to be able to unbolt it anyway, so we're unbolted so this whole piece comes out. So might as well just tack it in there, that way it doesn't move around at all. We got the toe points hooked up on here. They're welded up in, as you can see. Ow, it's hot. That's hot. But they're all welded up in there and stuff. So we're good to go on there. Bumper looks way better with that on there. Used to just look too plain. And then once we get the Fairlead on there and stuff, I think it's just gonna look that much better. If I could hold it straight, it'd be better. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Gotta start doing some more of these shop videos and stuff. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, comment down below what you think about the bumper, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!